Merc Aerospace in East Lancashire have invested in a new Matsuura machine every year for the last 5, but they chose 2 MX-330s. So let's find out why. Buying 2 machines to me speaks volumes. So Richard, why did you go for the MX-330?
We started our journey with 5-axis machinery back in 2015 on the MX-520 range of Matsuura machines. Back in 2018 we bought our first MX-330 PC10, and that gave us the 10 pallet lights out automation capability, and it was just a natural step for us as a business looking to increase our productivity. And it's worked wonders for us, and hence the second machine purchase.
Of course, and we're seeing more and more of these out in the marketplace now, being used by engineers. What is the USP here? What is it that ticks all your boxes?
Certainly the integration aspect of the pallet system is a big plus point for Matsuura. We very much like the fact that the pallet system is intuitive enough to work in with the machine itself. See very little problems coming from that. Also the reliability, the brand name itself of Matsuura, it's very well known for being a quality product, so yeah, we're very happy with it.
And you've got years of experience with them since 2015 as well. Yep. So what are the pros of this machine? You know, is scheduling an issue for you?
Certainly the throughput and the amount of work that is required to go on these machines to keep them fed with all of the hours that they can certainly run. That is a challenge for us. So certainly our scheduling team do have to keep up to the demands, and obviously the ability to be able to put a different job on each pallet. A logistical challenge for us, but one that we certainly enjoy, complementing our varied order book that we do have, which can include sort of small to medium batch sizes and sort of in-service aerospace spares, so it's ideal for us.
Well, that's exactly my next question. What is the work that you're putting on there?
Yeah, well, we work for the aerospace, defence, oil and gas industries. We make small to medium batch sizes, in-service spares. We also have numerous quality approvals for aerospace primes, including Airbus, BAE Systems, Spirit Aerosystems, Leonardo. So we see all manner of work coming through, and we really needed a universal machine that could cope with that varied application, whether it be hard metals, soft metals, spindle speeds, etc. So yeah, it's a very good universal machine for us that covers all manner of applications that we need.
What other considerations do you have to consider, really, in terms of the running of this machine then?
Certainly there's the swarf management aspect to the machines, running in a lights out setting, making sure that swarf is adequately being removed from the machine in terms of stillages, etc. So that's one challenge. The probing of the parts is another to facilitate that. So that's been something we've worked with Renishaw quite closely with. And the other one is, obviously, if you're running your machine lights out, you want to make sure that the tooling that you're bringing into the piece isn't damaged in any way. So we've got the Renishaw NC4 tool breakage detection system, and that works well for us.
So really, you're telling me all about these problems that you're overcoming quite easily? Yeah,
most definitely. Certainly, there's no solution out there that doesn't have its challenges, but certainly with a collaborative relationship that we've got with Matsuura and the likes of Renishaw, we're able to overcome most of these challenges very, very easily.
And work holding, how have you had to tackle this?
Work holding, well, when we started out in 2015, we chose Lang Work Holding as our preferred supplier there, so we have all of the Lang system to be able to use, and that's great that it's interchangeable across all of the Matsuura machines with the Capto system. We've also then make our own in-house fixtures as well to be able to maximise the pallets.
Well, it's safe to say you're really pleased with the machines. How would you summarise the success of the MX-330s for yourselves?
Well, in 2015 we were a business that had 11 vertical machining centres. Today that stands at 5-axis machines, obviously a reduction in total machinery there, but in terms of the additional throughput that we're now getting, it's far greater than in 2015. So we're very happy with the throughput that has been created by these machines, the lights out benefit, and ultimately the efficiency that brings to us.